Today I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website from start to finish. Okay, so first let's see the website we are going to build. So here it is. After watching this video, you'll be able to make a website which has products like these, and then we are going to create pages like these, and people will be able to add your products to their carts, and they'll be able to pay you through your website and buy products from your site. So let's get started. It's going to be very simple. We are going to make our e-commerce site in 4 parts. The first part is to launch your website. Now this is where we get a new website live on the internet. The first step is to choose your website name. You can go to the next step, which is to get your hosting and domain. So hosting is the place where your website's files are stored, and domain is your website's name. So once you've got your domain and hosting, we can now go to the final step of launching your website, which is to install WordPress. Now WordPress is the tool we are going to use to build our e-commerce website. WordPress lets you build websites easily without any coding or programming. We can now go to part 2 of this tutorial, which is to start building your e-commerce site. Now instead of building your e-commerce site from scratch, we are going to first import a sample e-commerce site, and then we are going to edit it to make our own site. So this is going to really speed up the process and will let you build your site in a much faster way. So to import the sample site, we are going to do 2 steps. First, we're going to log into our website. So to log into your site, all you have to do is type /login after your site's address. Now press enter, and it will take you to the login page of your website. Now enter the login details which you selected for WordPress. And then click login. So now we have successfully logged in to our WordPress site. So this is the place where you can control your website. So once you have logged in, we can now go to step 2 of importing the sample site, which is to install a theme in WordPress. So we are going to install a theme called Astra, which is going to let us import the sample site. So to install the theme, just go to Appearance and click Themes. Now click Add New Theme, and then search for a theme called Astra. Now this is the theme which is going to let us import the sample site. So to install the theme, just click Install, and then activate the theme. So now we have installed the Astra theme. Next, to import the sample site, just click Astra Options. And here you can see that we have an option called Import Starter Site. So to import the site, first click Install Importer. And then click See Library. Now once you're on this page, just select Elementor, which will make it easier for you to edit your site in future. So we'll select that. And now as we are going to build an e-commerce site, just click e-commerce, and then choose this site called the brand store. So let's click here. And here you can see a preview of how your site is going to look once you import this sample site. So to import this site into your site, just click Install Plugins. And click Import this site. So now the sample site has been imported. So let's see how our site looks. Now if we go to this tab, you can see that this is how our site was before. It was completely empty. Now if we click refresh, you can see that we have got the entire e-commerce site into our site. Now this is a fully working e-commerce site. which means if you click on a product here, you can see the details about the product and you can add it to cart. And then we can view the cart. And then we can also proceed to checkout. So we get all of these options right after we import the sample site. So now we have successfully imported our sample e-commerce site.